Hello everyone. So in this video I want to quickly explain about new wallet creation or how the entire system of wallet creation works on Ecency. So here I have a simple account which is this account, and I want to set up the external wallets. By default on Hive, each account has one set of private keys, right? So when you have your master password or you have your each private key separately, so in your private key file or in your master password, you are able to basically using that master password, you are able to generate or extract a private key for each category or each authority. So here, let's say posting private key, we have one posting public key here. So we have one private key, which means this account has one private key that helps to log in or do the posting operations. Same goes for the active authority. So we have one private active private key that helps us sign the transfer transactions or transfer operations which require active authority. And we have one set of owner key. So this is kind of normally how Hive account looks like. So each account has one set of private keys and they can log into any application with the required private keys. So now with the advent of external wallets, we are unifying this approach by allowing you to own or have all these other cryptocurrencies in your Ecency wallet and sign the transactions with a single seed phrase. And usually when you have on a blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB or Solana or most of the blockchains, they usually give you 12-word or 24-word phrases. It is called seed phrases. So using that seed phrases, each of these blockchains can give you public addresses or generate multiple public addresses and so on. So using this similar approach, we want to unify this seed phrase logic into Hive as well. So you can have a single seed phrase or the seed file which helps you to sign and hold different currencies on Ecency. So with a single seed phrase, you are able to generate and you are able to sign transactions on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and all these blockchains as well as Hive. So how to do that? So when you go to the Get Started, you are able to create a seed phrase, in this case some seed phrase, and you are able to download this. Let me download this file. Once I download this file, I can see that I have a seed phrase file downloaded, and I can see the public addresses on my from different blockchains. And then I click the continue, and then I have to provide current owner private key or master password or whichever the seed phrase or whichever means of giving you the ownership of this account. For example, for this account we have a owner key related with this public key, so I can either give my master password for this account or I can give my owner private key. And what that helps us to do is we will attach the existing or generated seed phrase which we just downloaded to the account. So let me type it in. So I just typed in my master password, and then I can click on sign. And what this does is it will link the tokens and as well as wallet into this address. And what it does, so we can go to the blockchain, we can go to the transactions, and you can see what we did. In behind the scenes, what we did is we generated all these addresses for different blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and everything, and then we attached existing seed phrase to the account. And how it will look like is here. If I refresh the page, you can see that I created new seed phrase. With the new seed phrase, I am able to generate private owner key, private posting key, and private active key, and attach it to the same account. So now this account has two set of private keys for each authority. So active has two private keys, posting has two private keys, owner has two private keys. And what this does is it will allow me to log in to Ecency or any applications with my existing master password or with my new seed phrase or new set of private keys which is downloaded with a seed file which we earlier downloaded. So now that the wallet is set up, I can go to my wallet page and then I am able to manage and enable all these external chains. And let's enable the BNB, let's say, and we save it. What this does is, again, it will create transaction, and it will in a transaction you can see that we are setting the show true, which means we are enabling this token to be visible on our wallet page. And in that wallet page you can see the current price of the Binance token, and then you can see right now we have receive button, and you can see your BNB address. So this is your own address. This is non-custodial, which means you have full ownership of this address because you downloaded the seed phrase associated with this address. And the same goes for all blockchains. Same goes for all these addresses on different chains, Bitcoin. These addresses are your own. When you're creating it, only you own this because you have downloaded the seed phrase for this address. Nobody else has access to it. And with the same seed phrase, you are able to, later when we're adding the transfer and other operations, with the same seed phrase or seed file, you are able to sign the transactions and perform operations on all these blockchains which we are supporting currently. So this is kind of, in essence, how the new chains or how the external wallets are connected into the Hive, and how you have full custody of the new addresses on different chains, all in a single place in Hive. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach us on our Discord and ask any questions how this external wallet system is working and how you can be safely assured that you have a multiple set of private keys, and how all these are combined and how all these are working on Ecency and Hive ecosystem. And in the next video, I will try to explain to you how the wallet sign-up system works, because we have a sign-up system which basically does the same thing, but it's our new sign-up system where you are able to generate seed phrase for all these chains, including the Hive. And in the next video, I will go much into details and explain how that system works. Thank you.